Samira Wells arrived in Vang Vieng with nothing but a backpack and a craving for adventure 3 days later. She was found dead beneath a waterfall, her eyes wide open and untouched by a single wound. Samira Wells was only 24 when she boarded the longboat into Vang Vieng, a jungle town in Laos famed for its blue lagoons and limestone cliffs. Like many others before her, she came chasing paradise, but she would never leave. Her body was found days later at the foot of a waterfall, her belongings intact, her cause of death unexplained. She was the 7th tourist to die there in less than a year. Locals whispered the same words to passing travelers. People die here. It wasn't just a warning, it was a fact. The tubing craze on the Nam Song River once made the town infamous for drunken river parties. But after the government cracked down, the chaos faded. Or so it seemed. Now the deaths were quieter, stranger. No drugs, no violence. Just vanished hikers, drowned swimmers, or travelers found motionless in their bungalows. Investigators pieced together a map of victims. Had arrived alone. All had visited the same 3 places. The Tham Phu Cam Cave, the secret Blue Lagoon 3, and a hilltop bar run by a man named Noi. Locals said Noi had once been a monk, until he was exiled for rituals no temple would endorse. He never left the hill. Tourists said he offered a special tea that made them see visions of their past and, eerily, their deaths. A survivor named Marcus Lewis, once reported missing for 3 days, was found wandering the jungle, barefoot and muttering. He later said he saw ghosts walking backwards and heard water calling his name. His blood showed no trace of known substances. After his escape, the deaths accelerated. 5 more people died in just 2 months. When a drone team flew over the jungle to map the trail of victims, their footage caught something strange. A pattern carved into the ground. It's only visible from the Iran enormous spiral that matched symbols found in ancient Lao funeral sites. Authorities shut down the hilltop bar. Noi vanished. The deaths stopped. Yet the spiral remains, visible only from above, growing fainter each year. Some believe it's just a coincidence. Others say it's still calling. Whatever the truth, one thing is certain: people still go to Vang Vieng, and sometimes they never return.